was already closed because of the Red Sea piracy about 2 years back. So all our shipments have been going through the Cape of Good Hope, which is South America. Yeah, from the last 2 years. That did increase the shipment times by about 10 days, but all our European customers have been used to it. As far as US times were concerned, US time did not make any difference whether it goes down the South African route or it goes through the Suez Canal. It hardly makes a difference of about 4-5 days. Initially, it did affect the freight prices about 2 years back, but then everything balanced out.
But how's the war largely impacting? I mean, a supplementary question to that: how's the war really impacting the businesses as such?
So see, war is 2 days old. I hope it doesn't last. It can have very adverse effect on the business environment and other environment. First of all, the effect of the crude prices. Like for example, one of our raw materials is acrylic fiber, which is directly a derivative of acrylonitrile, which is a crude based product. So any increase in that would mean increase in the raw material prices, which would hurt the industry. Second is the supply chains are disrupted. Third is, Middle East holds a lot of important destination for the airway. You would have seen all the cancellations. A lot of our buyer shipments used to go through these carriers, this low Gulf air and all that has been stopped. So it is a very, very sad state of affairs. I hope peace, is there soon.